everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video we are going to see how to organize under the sink area. This is the area we use them very frequently, and this is the area which is going to be dark, and we need to keep so many items in this area. So this could be a complex area to organize, and it should work for us. It need not be Pinterest picture, but it should work for this area. This organization system is working well for me from past 1 year, so I wanted to share with you all. And I did not purchase any new organization baskets or something. These are all existing ones. So let me share how I organized with you. In this channel you can find organizational videos, DIYs, productivity tips and hacks, and healthy recipes. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. The first step in any organization is clean. Take out all the items from that area and wipe it out cleanly. And then I used this shelf liner to cover it. So this is how it is before putting anything. We need to make a list of the things that are really needed on a daily basis for cleaning the things. Here I have the list of dish pots, dish liquid, and Dawn sprayer, and cleaning clothes, and some vinegar, some dish brushes. So here is the list, and let's see how I am going to organize this one. These are the two white baskets I already have in my home. One is from the Dollar Tree and one is from the IKEA. So I am going to use it here and see whether it is going to work for me. This is a tiny two-tier drawer. We can keep some items here. This is perfectly fitting under this area. It's looking like this. For my daily usage, I need the dish pots and also the cleaning wipes. So they are readily available in this basket. It is easy for me when I take out this door. So I can grab it easily. In this basket, I kept few other items that I don't need it on a daily basis. This is the cleanser. I need it for cleaning the sink or cleaning the copper items. It has so many benefits on it. And the other one is the baking soda. This is a Dawn power wash. I use it occasionally. This small basket is for keeping the dirty towels here. In between these two baskets and the drawer, I have a small space. I am keeping the vinegar in this area at the back because I may need it on a very weekly once or sometimes. And this is the small vase which I used it for to keep all different kinds of brushes. And then there is a small bowl for extra scrubbers. So I can take all of them. These are all the microfiber clothes along with e-clothes. I folded them in this size, so I kept all of them in the top drawer or the organizer. So every time whenever I need it, I can pull it over there. In the bottom drawer, I am keeping all the miscellaneous items that I don't need it regularly. So these are steel scrubbers. And this is a sink strainers. I got it a couple of things together. And this is a dish washer detergents. I may need it for 2 months once or monthly twice. And this is a sink stopper. So these are all I don't need it, so I am keeping it on the bottom. I kept some extra scrubbers here, and also these are the tablets to remove the foul smell in the garbage disposable. With the help of command hook, I stick it onto the one of the doors and I hung over my dishwashing gloves. I kept 2 pairs of the gloves here. So in this way we can also use the space over the door. Over the door towel rod we can dry out the uh, cleaning towels. We can utilize the space by using these kind of over the door hanger kind of things. So by using this one I kept two bottles that are on a daily basis. This dish liquid I used to pour in the sink with full of water when cleaning the dishes. It is handy for me to use this, and the cleaner I use it on a daily basis. So it is easy for me to grab it very easily every day. These are the items like dish pots and dish detergent purchased from Costco and cleaning clothes. I kept in a separate basket which I place it in another area. From this basket I can refill the bottles under the sink. After arranging all these things it looks like this. I can take the microfiber dry towel from here. I need it on a daily basis, and I can take any of the dish brushes while cleaning it. And this is the empty baskets to keep my dirty towels here, and dish pots along with the wipes. And from the side tray I can take the cleaner, so it is very convenient for me. For the convenience sake, I kept the hand soap and the dish liquid along with a decorative plant with a tray near the tap area. So it is easy for me to wash the dishes. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.